Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 2nd December 2020. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan. And today I got true meaning of this line. Uh, because today I went and sat in the market without having a trade plan. That's the reason yesterday there was no video which I updated. So I got hit. I had a fairly idea that I'm gonna do a buy on dip, and then I had a choppy market in front of me, which and with a very poor trade management, I had a big loss today. But lots of learning, and fundamental thing is the first learning is be disciplined. If there is no trade plan, no trading. Second, do not get into revenge trading. So ensure that your money management is very nicely planned. So for Nifty and Bank Nifty, I will not trade more than 2 lot per one trade. And one stock which Hero Corp, which I follow on intraday basis, there I can have up to 300 quantity. And second thing is always, guys, remember, you come in this market with the money which you are ready to lose. But if you play consistently and if you are disciplined, market gives you back. Uh, although I entered, so typically what I did today is that I entered on this green bar, then I got hit. Then I entered and this dip, and then this red bar took me off. This is where I made a very big mistake where I had a multiple lot which I entered. So almost entered 3 Nifty here because by this time I was almost down by 20K. And then when I went up here, then this one red bar killed me off. And then I even went more aggressive and changed my stand and shorted the Nifty here. First shot here again I got, but when this green bar came, I came out. And I had already lost my confidence by then. And when days when you go deep in, then you always have this philosophy that you want to get back, and then you get into revenge trade. And then eventually you get frustrated, and that's exactly what happened to me today. And then when the actual trend came in, that was a buy on dip at 200 mm, 200 moving average, I was emotionally gone, and I did not take this buy, which is actually the buy on dip trend. And then this trend took care of the entire losses of the day. So very choppy day, but lots of learning. So let's see now what is we have in store for us for tomorrow. So Nifty is definitely uptrend. It was very clearly seen by last 1 hour movement of today by this particular trend. This 4 bar. This was fantastic. So the strategy is definitely again the same. Buy on dip. I will not short this market till Nifty will cross 12,970. Oh, I'm sorry. Nifty will cross 12,800. So this zone. Only below this zone is where I will do short. So now I'm going to ensure that my mindset is only on buy, not on short. So buy on dip. So for Nifty, tomorrow, again, Nifty has closed about 20,200 and 8-day and 50-day moving average. So it is an uptrend. On daily chart, definitely it's an uptrend. So I'm expecting, and today global markets are almost flat or almost flat, and tomorrow is expiry. So like Sudarshan Sukhani says, that on expiry you generally see two types of trend. So you will see movement in both the direction. And what I'm looking forward is the buying opportunity on dip. So Nifty is looking very strong because Reliance is coming back in action. So I'm expecting a big movement in Reliance tomorrow, which will convert into movement in Nifty. So Nifty let's see how it goes. But there are three areas where we can buy Nifty. So when we look into our Camarilla pivot, the first area where you can buy Nifty is 29,572, which is 29,572. I'm sorry, that is Bank Nifty. So for Nifty 13,075, 13,075, which is just close to this 20-day moving average. So let me draw the areas. So the first area you can buy Nifty is this. Second zone where you can buy Nifty is definitely 13,035, which is somewhere between this zone, that is between 200 moving average. So I'm not expecting Nifty to go down more, but if for any reason it goes, then here is a one buy. Second buy is this. Third thing which may happen is also that third scenario is that Nifty will have a gap up opening above close to 13,200, and it will take 13,150 as a support and move out. So there will be a breakout trend here. So third area where, depending upon the opening and how the price action looks like, is this area where we can have a breakout trade. So these are the three buying opportunities or scenarios we can have tomorrow. So no short tomorrow, either buy on dip here or buy at pivot and Camarilla L3, or a breakout trade. And yeah, and stop loss is today's low. So depending upon my buy, my risk reward will be less, but I will ensure that my stop loss, I will start with yesterday's low, that is today's low, which is 12,980. So about 200 moving average. And then I will say how much market is going, and I'll not play more than two lot. So that's the plan for Nifty. Now when we look for a Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty actually today has corrected a lot. And if it's going up, then Bank Nifty will move much faster than Nifty because it has lots to catch up. So Bank Nifty is definitely again in uptrend. It's above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. It's still above all the major resistance, which is 29, let's say, which is 29,900, 28,900. So yes, 28,900. So for tomorrow, Bank Nifty, we will also go for buy on dip. So if you see on daily trend, it is about 20, above 8, and above 200. And all these three moving averages are coming closer to each other. It means Bank Nifty is going to have a very big trend day, either side, either up or down. But my gut feeling is that I'm going to choose upside. So the trend is definitely up, and we will go for buy on dips strategy. So for Bank Nifty, the first scenario to buy is 29,408. 29,408, that is this zone. Second zone to buy, if it comes down, is 29,200. So let me see the Camarilla. 29,200, yes, 29,200. So that is somewhere here. In this zone. 29,200 is actually today's low. Somewhere here. and then going up. Yeah, and the third scenario could be breakout trade, which could be 15-minute breakout, but I'm not pretty sure about that. But another thing which can happen is 29,667. So another area to buy in terms of breakout, if it opens above, would be this zone with the stop loss just below the magic bar. So if Bank Nifty breakouts in the early morning, this black line, which is a monthly either closing or some monthly closing line is this. So 29,667. If it goes up and if this starts acting as a support, then it's a breakout trade. Okay, so that's plan for Bank Nifty. So thank you very much, guys, for if you're still with me. Today was a tough day, but tough days are day when you learn a lot, and that's the spirit. So wish me a best luck, and do like my video and subscribe to my channel if you have already not. I'm sure that your likes will also push me to build my trade plan. Jai Hind, and please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Thank you very much.